Welcome back. We're a little over a month out from the deadline when Atrium Health Navicent employees must be fully vaccinated against COVID-19.
As we reported in late July, the North Carolina-based healthcare system announced it would require its more than 70,000 employees across 40 hospitals to get vaccinated. So how much of Atrium Health Navicent staff is fully vaccinated right now? Ashlyn Webb joins us live in studio with those numbers.
Yes, Halloween is the deadline for Atrium Health Navicent personnel to be fully vaccinated, so we're about 5 weeks away. But according to the most recent data, only 61% of the hospital employees are fully vaccinated. Each Friday, healthdata.gov reports the latest vaccination rates among hospital personnel for systems across the country. For Atrium Health Navicent, the most recent data is from 2 weeks ago, September 10th. The report shows nearly 2,000 employees remain unvaccinated. That's about 27% of Atrium's personnel. 736 are partially vaccinated, and 4,148 employees out of their nearly 7,000 are fully vaccinated. Dr. Elizabeth Penn, a NICU doctor, says she's fully vaccinated and has a message for coworkers hesitant about getting their doses.
I would say please go get your vaccine so that we all can continue to work and help each other and protect our families, ourselves, our kids, and our patients.
Terry Sandiford, a front desk clerk at Atrium, also rolled up her sleeve, but she says if it wasn't for this mandate, she would have waited to get her shot.
Well, I was going to quit, but then the more I see where other companies are coming up and saying that they're going to require it anyway, it wouldn't do any good.
Healthdata.gov's latest report comes just weeks after roughly 70 protesters, mostly Atrium employees, marched along Poplar in downtown Macon. They demanded medical freedom of choice when it comes to employers and the COVID-19 vaccine.
That we don't force treatments onto our patients. Why would we be forcing treatments onto ourselves?
We already are short-staffed. We were short-staffed before COVID. There was a strain on healthcare before that. This has made it even worse.
Now, it's clear some employees are pushing back against the vaccine mandate, but when you compare data from July, when the requirement was announced, to now, it shows more and more personnel are deciding to roll up their sleeve. During that period, there's a 7% increase in personnel who are fully vaccinated. There's also a 22% decrease in the amount of people that are not vaccinated at all. Simply put, that means more Atrium Health employees are getting their shots. Frank, Lori, back to you.
Thank you, Ashlyn. Now, we reached out to Atrium Health Navicent for comment on the latest numbers. They told us they would release a statement tomorrow.